welcome. Today guys, I'm going to be doing for you all another review video. So let me open up this box and show you guys what I received. So in this box, I got two sets of Lebice icicle pop makers. We also have here two sizes silicone funnels, 3-in-1. And the same thing here, two sizes. These silicone funnels are heat resistant up to 230 degrees Celsius. It comes with a little cleaning brush, and you see the two different sizes in there. So I think that's really great that you get two silicones in one, and the silicones are also collapsible, which makes it easier to store because it's flat. So let me just open up one so you guys can see. Here's the small one. I love that it's small because sometimes you need a small funnel and you don't want to dirty the big one. And it folds up just like this. Now for the second one. The second size is a really good size also. It's not a large. I would say this is a medium size funnel. And it folds up back the same way. And it's also stackable. So if you have more than one, it stacks into each other. And the last two items in the box, we have here a cleaning brush and we have a hook. If you wanted to hang your silicone funnels, you can also hang them, and it comes with this 3M tape at the back so you can attach it to the wall, or it has a hole where you can nail it or screw it to the wall. So both boxes, I'm not going to open the second one because the second one has everything in it just as the first one. So I just want to go over a few things about the silicone molds or the benefits, as it says in the back here. It's made up out of durable and long-lasting grade silicone. The products is tested by SGS Laboratory and is BPA free. It's resistant to boiling and also dishwasher safe. Practical for transferring liquids or dry ingredients. Dry ingredients, yes, I like that it can transfer dry ingredients because sometimes you want to fill sugar, or you want to fill salt, or even curry or powders, and you don't want it to make a mess. This would be really great for that. It also sits stably on bottles or jars, which makes it easier for pouring. Okay, so for the popsicle makers, you get 50 recipes as an ebook. So you have to scan this code here, and once scanned, you'll be able to download those recipes. They come in different colors, so you can choose whichever color you like. And it also comes with the same silicone funnel and a cleaning brush, which is really good because you don't want to have to purchase two things. You can get both items in one box. So this set is a mixture of green and yellow. Now when you're using these, you want to make sure that you rinse them out really well before using them. It comes with this pop mold use instructions and delicious healthy pop recipes. So I'm not going to be using their recipes that they have given me in here. I'm actually going to be using a recipe that people have been requesting for the longest time, which is for popsicle, chocolate popsicle, or chocolate ice cream. The popsicle recipe doubles as a chocolate ice cream. So guys, here I have my mixture and here I have my molds. Now I just want to show you guys, when you're using your molds, make sure when you go to put them down, you press them down properly to make sure it holds really well, because you don't want to be transferring this to your freezer and then one of the molds is not set properly and it falls out. So all you have to do is pour this out into your molds. Now I'm using a measuring cup with a spout, but if you don't have a measuring cup with a spout, this is where the silicone funnel would come into play, and you would use those to fill up your molds with your chocolate mixture. You don't want to go all the way up because you want to leave room for when it expands, when it gets cold, and when it freezes. And all you do next is put in your handles, and you want to pop them in really well. And next, these go into your freezer, and they're going to freeze overnight or until they're frozen solid. So guys, let's try out the funnel. I'm going to fill some oil into my bottle, and it forms a suction so that it actually holds on or grabs onto that bottle. And all you do is pour in the oil. And that's it. That's as easy as the funnel is to use. Okay guys, so it's been 1 day since the popsicles have set and have hardened. I'm just going to take one out, and what I'm going to do is run it over the tap just to help loosen the outside so it'll be easier to come out or unmold. So here you have it, one popsicle unmolded. Now guys, it doesn't take very long to unmold it, so make sure you keep an eye on it. You don't want to leave it under that water for too long. The popsicle holds on really well to the handle, and it's really sturdy, it's really strong, and I really like this set. So if you guys are interested in this product, I will leave all information for it down below. So thank you all for watching. Thank you to Lebice, and I will see you all another day with another one of my reviews. Enjoy.